top G is back. And anyways, we're doing this fucking pyramid problem, and I had it saved here, but now the fucking app asks me to fucking sign in order to continue viewing the solution. Like, come on. Come on. Where's that stuff? Anyway, let me check it out with Gemini. Like this, like this. Okay, this is problem number 40. Come on, you let me crop that stuff. Usually, I mean, before I was able to crop photos within Gemini. Now, looks like it's not available. Like, come on. Okay. Okay. And boom. Got this, got that. Let's go. Okay. Pop the result is 20 square root of 5 divided by 3. Top G, that's correct, that's correct. Okay. So I think I stopped where like 2 square root of 5 and then like top fucking 125 divided by 9 square root of 3. No, it's not this. 1 divided by 3 times 10 times 2 square root of 5. Right? Right. So it is like this. 1 divided by 3 times 10 times 2 square root of 5. At the top I'll have 20 square root of 5 basically divided by 3. Okay, let's do like another type of problem. Well, now here is a different type pyramid. Now it is basically essentially a pyramid. So here it is. So basically I'm drawing this pyramid, right? Boom. Pyramid. A, B, C, V. Right? Now, the problem is there's this pyramid and there is a circle written within this triangle. I mean like this basically. And to confirm this, I will check. Hold up a second. Hold up a second. Yeah, chop G. It's like this. So essentially the fucking this from, so this is the center, and the distance from the center till the end of a circle is 6 square root of 3. And the AP, basically this VK apotem is 3 square root of 7 pop. Alrighty. And essentially I have to calculate the fucking VC, which is of course equal with VA and VB, and of course the volume, essentially. So how can I do this? Well, we do know VK. Yeah. And essentially VK and with VOK form a 90-degree angle. So this is essentially top G and 3 square root of 7. That is essentially VK. So pretty much, this is complicated, man. Let's write formulas first. Volume equal with A at the third power square root of 2 divided by 12, right? And then the VC. How am I supposed to find the VC? Looks like the fucking, like, he has the same formula available. Whatever. Square root of 3, square root of 2, divided by 12. I just need this. 3 square root of 7. I can find the height. But why do I need the height? I got that. How am I supposed to find it? Cos A, no. Don't work with cos A and stuff. How am I supposed to solve this? VOC. VOC. Triangular. 3 square root of 7 there. Well, yeah. Time to find external help for this problem. Yeah. So it is finding external help. Right. Right. Searching this. Searching. And Rights. Rights. I got it. I think I got it. Okay. Going there. Okay. Okay. The response is available. Hold up. Let me put some of this stuff. Hold up. Be back. Right, I have it. I have it. The fucking answer, and essentially the answer here is 162 square root of 3. And taking a look there, I have that it is actually right, correct. Yeah. So let's go. Why a big problem? So height is this formula, which I have. Which I do have. 2.3 height equals with 6 square root of 3. Top G formula. Now, working from here, we'll have 12 divided by 3, so 4 height equals with square root of 3. Height equals with 4 divided by square root of 3. No, because actually 2 height equals with 18 square root of 3. How does this make any sense? How? Basically the 3 has been taken out and put there. Okay. Okay. Now, height is 9 square root of 3. Right? And as height is that, I can equal it with that formula. 9 square root of 3 equals with that. So, essentially, 18 square root of 3 is that, which means that L is 18. Right. Now that we know that L is 18, which is essentially AC and AB and BC, I perhaps can calculate VC with a Pythagorean theorem. Basically, VOC is 90 degrees in O, which means that VC to the second power equals with VO to the second power plus OC to the second power, which means that VC to the second power equals with essentially the height is what we got there, right? Height is 9 square root of 3. 9 square root of 3 at the power of 2. It's essentially going to be 81 times 3. So 81 times 3 here It's actually 243. So 243 plus OC at second power, essentially 6 square root of 3 at the second power. I'm gonna do it here. Now it's 36 times 3, which is, of course, 108. Now 108 here. VC at the second power equals with 351. So this means that this can square root stuff. And actually, I should have been getting like 12, which is not what I got. So something went wrong here. Something. A B is AC divided by 2. What do you mean? What do you mean? What? What? Oh, that. But who cares? Oh, like this, huh? Like this. God damn it. Why? How? Come on. Got the height. Well, no. It's not like this. Why like this? How does that make any sense? Okay. So actually, I had to say that the triangle VKC is of 90 degrees, which means that VC that I'm trying to find the second power equals with VK, which is of course 3 square root of 7, which at the second power will be 9 times 7, which is of course 63, plus essentially KC, which is half of 18, which is 9, the second power 81, and that is 12. Peggy 12. Centimeters. So got that right. Doesn't make any sense. I got a height. I did a fucking calculation. And it didn't work out then. Like, come on. Anyway, I did this. Now what? Well, I need to find the volume. Formula of volume, essentially pretty simple. That's volume equal with 18 to the power 3. That's pretty complicated, so this formula. Let's take this usual fucking formula. Area of base. That just fucking A 18 times 3, right? Area of a base is just 18 times 3. So that is like this, 54. Boom. Now it's times height. Height is fucking, you know, 9 squared of 3. So now 54 divided by 3, how much is that? 18. Fucking 18. 18 times 9, how much is that? So basically 18 times 9. 9 times 8, 72. Pop. Put a 7 there. 9 plus 7. 162. 162 squared of 3. Centimeter cube. Is that correct? Yes. Top G. Fuck off. Moving on to the next one. Exercise. Let's go fucking deeper. So. Dang. Alright. I'm not gonna go to the fucking hardest fucking exercise ever. I am not a geek. Just doing this stuff so it can fuck off. Pop. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. Right. Doing this shape once again. Fuck this shape. A, B, C, and a fucking B. So, height is 4. Right. Height is 4. And the angle between a face of a side, which is like ABV, and the base is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees here. Boom. Now find total area and volume of this shit. Find the distance between a fucking and the top of a base. What? Distance between the top of a base to the fucking other fucking, you know, what? So essentially like distance from A till BCV. Next, find the angle between VOA and VOB. VOA, VOB. So look, god fucking damn it, this fucking angle, like a fucking nigger. And after this is done, just fucking solve this shit. First off, I'm gonna write a fucking formula for total area. Total area for this fucking shape is, it's quite simple actually. Pop, 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 pop. Volume, there are multiple variations, but I'm go with this newer formula like this. And now let's just try to fucking do it. So I need to find firstly what is A. So like value of AB first. I need to find it. How the fuck I'm gonna find it? Well, I have some angles, so it means that I can use some fucking formulas with the angles. I'm gonna try that. and I got the height. Well, yeah. So let's see formulas with angles and stuff. Cos of an angle is equal with that and this. Hold up. I can do it like this, right? I can do it like this. I have a 4. I have that. Hold up. If I put that, the angle of VAO is 45. I can do this. So I'll have cos 45 degrees equals with the fucking AO or AV, I'm not sure. AO, right? Hold up. It's not this one, it's not with cos, because we ain't got that long one. So this means that I should use the TG of 45 degrees formula, top G formula. And this will be the fucking AO, my nigga, divided by VO, I think. And I would just have to find TG of 45 degrees. TG of 45 degrees. That is 1. Fucking 1. What the fuck? Just 1. Peasant. Now AO. I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm trying to find out. VO is 4. Top G. Now AO from here. What the fuck it is. So basically it's 4. Now, we know that AO is 4. And so fuck what? A fuck that. Now, I can fucking get something else, right? What the fuck can I get? I think I need some fucking, like, Pythagorean formula, right? How can I find fucking A, B, whatever? How? God damn it. Is there something here? Like, is there something here that can help me with that? Alright. Fuck. Take this out first. ABC. Took ABC out. Now, there's an O here. I know what the fuck this is. It's 4. And I could do like this. That's 8. And I don't care. Fuck it. Let's just see ChatGPT. What the fuck should I do here? That's it. Give me a fucking answer and fuck off. Drink a bit of water, that's it. Okay. Problem. Photo. And so on. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm searching. Yeah. Still searching. As fast as possible, of course. Why would I want this to take any longer? This is bullshit. Okay, cropping. Right, this, like this. Okay. Pop. Okay. Popping this. Okay. Okay. Now, like this. Okay. Almost done. Almost fucking done. And come on, why it's taking so long? It usually takes quite fast. It's loading the response. Seems to be a pretty difficult one. Still solves it. Still. Still does it. Come on, man. Can't take that long. I'm taking this seriously. 43 seconds it took. What the fuck? Look. Look. Checking the book now. So it is correct. G. Top G. What? What the fuck? Nigger. Okay, last one doesn't matter. It's telling me that it's 120. But in the book, it's fucking 60. Should I check Gemini? No, because I don't care about the complicated stuff. I am not a geek. So, basically, you solve for tangent, and you will get that square root of 3 divided by 6, what? So it's 4. Okay. Okay. In A, like from where did you get that? From where did you get this? Square root of 3 divided by 6. From where? From where? Let's try Gemini. Or maybe I need an explanation in detail for this. Gemini should be faster. Imagine it gets it right. Because the degree at the end must be 60, not 120. From the book. So, the degree at the end is actually still 120. So, essentially I got that AO is 4 centimeters, OM 4 centimeters, whatever. AP. Why do I need AP? Do I need AP? Check out formulas. Fucking AP, fucking AP. You don't need it. Why do I need AP? Anyways, Gemini tells me to get AP, so okay then. If you need AP so much, you get fucking AP. So, AP equal with VM. So, for example, this is VM. And this will be pop, 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 pop. And pop, 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 pop. So, why is it OV at the second power plus OM at the second power? Okay. Actually, in this drawing is a bit different. OM is like, you don't even know it. But in my drawing, actually, OM is like AO. So it's 4. And BO is the height. So it's also 4. And that's over by square root. And I don't know from where did they take this formula exactly? From where did they take this formula exactly? Like, come on. From where did they take that formula? VO square root of that. It's not even the diagonal. Whatever. Moving on. So, essentially, this is square root of 32. And this can be written down as 4 square root of 2 centimeter. And now for the base, I can apply the formula which I do not really have. So AP formula, I can write it down. Yeah, I guess let's do it. I didn't have this one there. AP formula. It'll be that, okay. Boom. Done. written out. A bit of water here. Okay. So basically got the aperture is 4, right? From where? I don't know. Like we didn't have aperture. Where'd they give aperture? This doesn't make any sense. Anyway, we equal this, and if it's equal like this, a will be equal with 24 divided by square root of 3. So 24 square root of 3 divided by 3, that's like this. So essentially it's 8 square root of 3 centimeters. Now I have A, and I can calculate total area, volume, whatever. Total area is 8 square root of 3 divided by, the second power. So this will be 64 times 3. And that's there 12. Here 72. Not 72, 19. And it's this times square root of 3. That's about right. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. What? 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 Why? Fucking Gemini or whatever ChatGPT gave me a wrong formula then. Or what? Well, if the formula is different, this means that I should take a different approach. It's different. It's basically different. I must take a different approach. Area of a base and stuff. Total area. Total area is area of base plus area from side, lateral, whatever. So area of a base formula. Well, I have it here. Seems about right. Should I even change it? I guess let's change it in my formula sheet. Yeah. So now this, I'm gonna write down. Boom. Done. Okay. So I got this 192 square root of 3 centimeters and the second power. So here I can do this. Right, but I already did that, which is 64. So 64 times 3 times square root of 3 divided by 4. But why that? Oh, yeah. So it's 48 square root of 3. That's area of base. Now, this one from the side, formula is area of the base times AP, which is 4 square root of 2. Actually, it's not this, it's not this, it's not this. It's actually PB, not AB. So it's 24 square root of 3, because it's 8 square root of 3 times 3, so that's that, and times the AP, which is somehow 4 square root of 2, and all of this divided by 2. So here I have 12 square root of 3 times 4 square root of 2. So it would be 48 square root of 6 centimeters squared. Right, this is what it would be. Now I can calculate total area. Area total is equal with 48 square root of 3 plus 48 square root of 6, and I can just put a 48 up front and square root of 3 plus square root of 6. That's it. Now volume essentially has a simple formula, usual formula. AB 48 square root of 3 times the height, which is 4, and here I would have 48 divided by 3, 16, right, 16 times 4, 64, square root of 3 centimeters cube. This is the volume right here. And now the distance between that and this. And basically you calculate these things. HB equals with that. So it then equals to this. And it gets to this, and then it's that. Then you calculate this. And you would get this. This is too complicated. I am not do that. Let's take like some easier examples, I guess. Going back there. I went back and I will do this one. Essentially I have something like this. Once again, like this fucking drawing. Okay. Well, I think I have thought of something. Change up the stream and stuff. I could like put instead of a screen like some math tutorial videos and watch them on the stream. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do that now. We'll see how it works out.
To add a Google Chrome window to OBS to stream.
Well, as I am here, I could try like to duplicate the thing. So instead of my screen, where's my phone with S Pen and stuff, I can put my Chrome tab there. Yeah. So I think I can do that, or I can take a bit more different approach. So like I close this and add like browser. Yeah, this selected. Okay. So like this. Alright. URL. What? No, 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 not browser. Not browser. Delete this stuff. Um, remove. Window capture. Yeah, I guess that. So Chrome, Chrome XC. What? Hold up. I said discard. What the hell is that? Come on, man. Window capture. This. Yeah, that. Automatic. Capture audio. What? So, okay. Have it here. Okay. So basically it's my Chrome tab. It's here. Now I'm gonna work a bit more, find video and stuff.
Towards McConnellsville. Northbound, one bound. Now, I need to check and just make sure that there's no marijuana in the car.
Understand.
He already told me that y'all smoked earlier, okay? I want to reassure you, once we do that, be on your way, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay? You okay, ma'am?
Close the door.
Close the door.
Close the door. Okay, there's no easy way to do this. You need to get your things and head out. Bye. Sorry.
My things?
Yeah.
I just came here with my backpack today. I don't even have an office.
Well, just check around if you brought any like papers or pieces of paper or stuff.
I don't just carry loose leaf papers around
I
with
don't
me.
know, something that you wrote down, some notes that you clearly didn't take that would have helped you with this job, but you should probably just get your things as quickly as possible and head on out.
Okay, and then I'll see you tomorrow then?
You're fired. That's what. I don't have a cardboard box to give you to put your things in, but you could put your things in, your backpack. Yeah, you just haven't been performing well, so.
The other leg we don't know, and our hypotenuse has to be our C, which is the part that's 6.9.
The triangle. Square equal to, if we change the side, that is a square minus a square by 2 whole square. Then this one. This part is 2. This part.
So, this is bullshit. This is bullshit. I wasn't able to find any video that's worth watching. So I'm gonna have to solve myself. How can I make this, like, not visible? Yeah, so that's it. Bullshit. Okay. Like, okay. What's up now? I got my own fucking exercises. Just wasting my time. I thought that I would be able to find some exercises that are worth watching on the internet on this fucking particular subject, but I was not able to find any whatsoever. And so I'm gonna have to solve it myself somehow. Maybe there's like some fucking exercises solved on other languages, so maybe later on I'll put that and put some fucking subtitles, because I understand 10,000 languages, but you know, maybe don't, so subtitles, I'll put that. Okay, I understand 10,000 languages, but you know, I can use some other language videos. And anyways, I got this ABCV, and so I got that MN are like the things in the middle of AB, so M here, and VC has N. Essentially, MN is 6 square root of 2. MN is 6 square root of 2. And I have to demonstrate that MN is perpendicular to VC. Find this AC. Find OV, so the height. and find total area and the volume of this. Okay, so OV, total area, and basically volume of this. Well, yeah. So start off, I think MN is perpendicular to VC because that's like half and that's like half, so it works out. And I don't know how can I exactly demonstrate it, so I'm just gonna move on. OV, the height, how am I supposed to find it? Well, if I take a look there, MN 6 square root of 2, so this means that I can do something about it and find something else, but I'm not really sure what. So how can I find the height exactly? How can I find the height exactly? I really don't know what the fuck to do here. How am I supposed to find something? MN is 6 square root of 2. And why does that matter? Why does that matter? I guess there's some kind of formula, MN on AC equals with K. I don't know any of that. I don't know what the fuck to do here. Time for ChatGPT. Man, ChatGPT can't solve all this shit. Why do I have to know how to solve myself? Like, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. Problem 14. Bob. Nowadays on the internet, good shit ChatGPT exists. Because you no longer need a professor. You just got ChatGPT can explain you everything. So basically searching. Okay. This. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Hold it. Boom. Check answers within the book. Alrighty. Checking answers within the book. Alrighty. Going where I was. Top G. Where the guy was. And it is Ace 12. Yeah. 4 square root of 6 over there. And under 44. And that. Yeah, correctly. ChatGPT, top ChatGPT. Now firstly, how to demonstrate that MN is perpendicular to VC. Just some fucking vectors. Like, I don't know what the fuck these vectors are. I'm not advanced mathematics. Fuck off. Well, that's algebraic demonstration. But for geometrical demonstration, basically, Mn is basically the middle of two opposing segments, so that's why it's perpendicular. Now, what vector? What vector? What? What do you mean vector? I'm gonna try Gemini. Use some vectors, like use the simplest shit possible. You don't need vectors. Let's go Gemini. Let's see what it is. Pop, pop, pop. Not two photos. Come on, man. Like this. Okay. It takes 10 years to solve. God damn it. Now we're gonna have to wait for Gemini to solve this shit. Well, well, well. Okay. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Gemini was better this time. Gemini King this time. ChatGPT used some vectors and stuff. Maybe if I specify don't use vectors and stuff, it would have been better. But for now, Gemini takes the cake. So, AN is equal with BN, right? And is equal with L square root of 3 divided by 2. AN is a height. Really? Yes. BN is a height. Yes. I agree. Top G. Well then, if AN is a height and BN is a height, then it equals to some kind of formula that is not written anywhere, and it doesn't really matter that much. So AN is that, MN is basically also that, and so that to the second power equals this and that, so it's 12. What the fuck is this? AN equals with this formula from fuck knows where, and MN is 6 square root of 2. Why? Why? Why is MN? Oh, yeah. It's there. MN is 6 square root of 2. And so fuck what? The fuck that this Pythagorean formula is used. L divided by 2 power of 2 plus 6 square root of 2 and all the power of 2. Now this will be, of course, 36 times 2, so 72. Okay. Now, from where did you get the L divided by 2 at the second power? AN, MN, and perhaps MA. is essentially the length of BA divided by 2, so that's why it's like a vet. Alright, so there's some kind of formula for the height here, which I understand a bit, but not that much. Okay then, moving on here. So I'll have L at the second power times 3 there, divided by 4. Yeah. There. L at the second power divided by 4 plus 72. I mean, yeah. Now, main thing, trying to find L. Okay? So, basically, if I move the L thing to the left, it will get minused away. It doesn't make sense. So this means that I have to move 3L2 towards the fucking L second power. What the fuck is this, man? What the fuck is this? Hold up. When you move L to the second power divided by 4 to the left, you have to change the sign. And in this way you'll cancel L to the second power, which is not what you want to do, because you want to find L to the second power. So I have to check out Gemini. How did it solve this? How does this make any sense? Yeah. Oh, sorry, Mr. Gold Card, because I thought that L to the second power minus L to the second power was 0. It's actually no, it's 3L to the second power minus L to the second power, which is 2L to the second power. Well then, okay. So I'll have 2L to the second power divided by 4 equal with, hold up, at the bottom it's 4 minus 4, right? Like, hold the fuck up. So it's like this, huh? And then L to the second power is 36 and L is 6. No, it's not, because it's 12 in my problem. What the fuck is wrong? What the fuck is wrong? Why just... Okay. So if it's the same common denominator divided by 4, still stays there. Genius, math skills, genius. Okay. So I have 2 divided by 4. Pop. That's essentially 1 divided by 2 up front. Okay. So 1 divided by 2, L to the second power, equal with 72. So 1's gonna be moved there. It's gonna be divided. So it'll be 144. So it's Peggy 12 centimeters. Fucking shit. 12 centimeters. It's AC and AB and BC because it's regulated fucking shape and so on. Okay. Now, I know that. Okay. That's 12. Now, how the fuck can I find the height? It is actually pretty simple. It's actually pretty simple. Is it actually? VA. Can I have some fucking apatem shit here? No angle shit, apatem. What the hell? Ho. Merry Christmas, I can. How the fuck am I supposed to find this shit? I found it, guys. I found it. I fucking found it. That's super G. There's a fucking formula. From wherever the fuck they give us formulas, Jesus knows. AP equals with, I have it written here. No way I could remember that. Write this on my fucking test paper. I'll do it right. Okay? So this. Now AP, what the fuck is AP? Essentially, I'm gonna take a triangle out of there, but in like 2D. MVA. Video formats. Now, put a fucking... Hold up. M is here. B is here. And this is the apotem. Alright, so I'm trying to find MV now. Now MV will be, so A is 12. 12 square root of 3 divided by 6. Now, that's 2 square root of 3. Pop. Top G. Now, I know MV, which is the apotem, which means that now, somehow, I have to understand what the height is. Give me the fucking answer, what the height is. Oh, I have a formula for the height. I didn't even need this apotem bullshit. I fucking found it. Height formula. You just put a which is 12, and then just put this. That's it. That's our height. What the fuck? How can you remember this? How can you remember this? Anyway, I got a height. You're fucking happy now? Moving on. Total area. How the fuck can you find the total area? But first, let me check out. Did I find the height correctly? Height. What the fuck is this? Hold up. My height might be deceptively incorrect. Let me see. Times square root of 2 divided by 3. How much is that? Nigger! Damn it. Try again. 2 divided by 3, the whole expression is under the fucking square root. Come on. What the fuck is this? I got a height wrong. Give me some fucking chat GPT formulas. On some problems they work, on others they don't. What the fuck? What the fuck? Pythagorean theorem application. What do you mean? What? What error? What the fuck? It's telling me about some circle, Gemini. But there's no circle. We're not working with circles here. Find the height. And I guess I can make a circle with my imagination around it. Or whatever. Circle. And the height of a base is a formula, of course. How can you not know that? Fucking bullshit. height of a base. That's a formula. Yeah, it's this one. And essentially, if I solve that, I will have that. It's 6 square root of 3. Haha. And essentially, the fucking OC or whatever is gonna be this times 2 divided by 3, which of course will be 4 square root of 3. And now, applying the Pythagorean theorem in the triangle VOA, we have found. Hold up, what we have? What exactly do we have? Triangle VOA. VA, for some absurd reason, is equal with 12. Height, obviously, I don't know. And OA is what we've just found. This is absolute shenanigan bullshit. Whatever. The height, so we can like do this like VOA 9 degree. So Pythagorean fucking theorem. So essentially it's VA to the second power, which is like 144, equal with essentially this to the second power, 16 times 3, that's, how much is 16 times 3? That's fucking 48. 48 plus the height, which is VO to the second power. Okay, VO to the second power, that's just fucking 96. Can you take a fucking square root of 96? Is that 13? No way. No, it's not. 16 times 6. You can do that. It's 96. So 4 square root of 6, which is fucking what we got before. No, we actually got before 4 square root of 3. Big fucking difference, yeah. 4 square root of 6 centimeters. God fucking damn it. I hate this shit. VO, I got it. That's a height, fuck off. Now, total area. Total area. Right. Now, I have formula here, of course. I came prepared. It's the area of a base plus area of lateral fucking whatever. Area of a base. That's quite simple. It's actually, what the fuck is area of base? Oh, it has a separate formula, of course. Area of base is the length times square root of 3 divided by 4. So 12 square root of 3 divided by 4. How much that is? 3 square root of 3 divided by 3. I mean 3 square root of 3. Now, the lateral area. Formula, know that shit. Perimeter of a base, which is 12 times 3. We got 3 lines, AC, BC, and AB, which is 36. At the top, we're doing some fraction here, times the abatem, which I already fucking solved because I'm a genius, which is 2 square root of 3. Now, all of this divided by 2. I don't know why. And this will be essentially 36 square root of 3. Now, you just add this together and you'll get 39 square root of 3, which of course is wrong. Something has to be wrong. because the total. What the fuck is this, man? What the fuck is this? The total? They change the formulas on fucking how they want. How does this make any sense? I got a formula of a total fucking this as that, what I have written. But Gemini tells me that it's 4 times area of a face. What the fuck? And the area of face is 36 square root of 3. Somehow. Whatever. So 4 times 36 square root of 3. Goddamn, gotta end my fucking stream. So we'll be seeing you again, I guess, if I don't die, tomorrow. Perhaps I won't die, chance quite small. So 120 there and 144 square root of 3. Okay, so that's total area. Now the volume, thank God, has the same formula, like usual. Area of base for square root of 3, and times the height, and of course the height is what the fuck? Area of base is like 36 square root of 3. Oh, this of a second power. Okay, okay.